Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I had this big internet blackout, right? So I've been gone for, well, it's been over a week. Those of you who didn't notice that I was gone, I will be at your house tonight, knocking on the door. So meanwhile, while I've been going crazy, I'm trying to play catch up. So for any of these spoilers that y'all have already seen, well, you know what? We'll just watch the video anyways. But I'm about to show you some of the premium spoilers that I didn't get to get out, so I'm going to go ahead and put them out now. So anyways, guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's go ahead and read that first comment from my last video, which was BoxyCharm Sneak Peeks. Thank you so much, Betty McCary. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Betty says, hey girl, hope you are having a fantastic day. Absolutely love your videos. Love you. Oh, Betty, you are just the sweetest ever, honey. I love you too. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned until the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first of all, everybody was wondering why they removed the picture of the Collie Foaming Cleanser and the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Now Joe says that they have to get some kind of rights or something to put up their photos, so they're getting that all straightened up, but it don't mean anything. They will still be in the June Boxy Luxe box. Now everybody's getting the Collie Foaming Cleanser, but the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette is limited, so as soon as they're gone, they're gone. If you're an existing Luxe member, you've got better chances of getting this palette, but if you do sign up a little bit later on in the month, if you're a new subscriber, you might end up getting another palette. It's still going to be a Tarte palette, and it's going to be similar to this one, and that's only if the Pro is sold out. Now let's go ahead and look at the spoilers for BoxyCharm June Premium. So first up, everybody's going to get the Too Faced Contour Palette, as well as the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. A small percentage of people will get the Too Faced Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. To any new subs or anything like that, again, is whenever they run out, you will be getting a similar Tarte palette. Next up is the Zoeva Eye Primer, the matte one or the pearl one. Now that was also a choice item. Next up is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Halo. Next up is the KVD Vegan Beauty Studded Lipstick. Now there is going to be 1 of 5 shades. And then next is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. There is 1 of 3 shades of that. And last but certainly not least is the Lashaholic. They're real, I swear, lashes. That's a cute name. I really do like that. So next up, now these are possible future spoilers that Suzanne found. These were items that were sent out in email surveys to some of the members. And of course, there's already confirmed spoilers. There's already spoilers that are in these surveys that we've already gotten. These are possible future spoilers, guys. Now, Suzanne did say that these are older emails. So, of course, some of the items that you're going to be seeing in these photos are products that have already gone out. But the ones that we haven't seen yet are possible future spoilers. So I'm not going to waste time talking about the ones we've already got and the ones that were in Maybox and everything and the ones that are confirmed for June. I'm just going to show the new items. So first up is the Kat Von D. Now they did show the Saint and the Sinner. So they showed 2 different perfumes. Next up they showed the Ciate London Dewy Setting Spray. Now I could have swore that was in a past box. I'm not sure, y'all. And then it shows the Tarte Bliss Blush Palette. And next up, palette right here, this is one that Suzanne found. This is something called Party in a Palette. Now, it does look like a face palette. Pretty neat little item. And next is the J. June Calming Face Mask. And then it showed some pair of lashes right here. Now, do you see these lashes? Now, again, any of the items that I'm not naming off that are in these pictures that I'm showing you are items that are already confirmed. We already know about those items. We just want to see the new ones. Next, it shows this Luxie brush set. It looks like a 5-piece eyeshadow set. And in the next one, it shows another brush set by Luxie, but this looks like a 5-piece face brush set. Next is this. It's called the Real Her I Am Strong Eyebrow Definer Pencil. And then it shows the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster Serum. And then it shows this, I think it's Kosas, something like that. This is called the Color and Light Palette. This is a blush and bronzer duo. And then the last item is, this is something called Teamy. It looks like some kind of a shaker, like a drink shaker, like a tea shaker. Pretty neat little item. But again, that was all the new items that I seen in those emails. So, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. It's Montez.com. Montez says, it's been a while. How have you been? Well, Montez, honey, I've been doing okay, I guess. You know, Montez, I really appreciate you've been subscribed to me ever since I started. So I really do appreciate that, and I hope your channel is doing well. And I'll go and I'll check it out and catch up on some of your videos. And I really appreciate you stopping by to watch mine. Thank you so much. I love you, Montez. And guys, just like always, if I know they got a channel, if they're one of my friends here on YouTube, you know I'm going to leave a link for them down below. So go check out Montez's channel. He does a lot of interviews. You get to see about a lot of stuff. I just love watching his channel. It's just so much fun stuff that he does on there. But again, I'm going to leave him a link below. So go check him out, y'all. And subscribe to his channel and help him out. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.